that is entitled A New Species of Capitetragonia Associated to the Snap Shrimp Alpheus brasileiro from Brazil. I am Felipe Bezerra Ribeiro and I am from the Universidade Federal do Rio Grande do Sul and Universidade do Estado do Mato Grosso. So, Bopiridae is the most species group of parasitic isopods, being all ectoparasitic on decapod hosts, such as shrimps, squat lobsters, and also hermit crabs. Among subfamilies within Bopiridae, Bopirine is constituted by 27 genera of exclusive parasites of Caridian shrimps, including snappy shrimps of the family Alpheidae. So within Bopirini, we have the genus Capitetragonia that is composed until now by three species: Capitetragonia alphae, Capitetragonia asperotibialis, and Capitetragonia elliptica. Capitetragonia alphae is recorded in Brazil in the states of Maranhão, Paraíba, and Santa Catarina. And this species was found associated to the following snap shrimp hosts: Alpheus heterochelis, Alpheus normani, and Alpheus viridari. Studies on Boppery taxonomy are gaining forces in Brazil in the last years. So, some new species were described and new records were also made. To date, 22 genera and 27 Boppery species are recorded from Brazil. However, the Brazilian diversity of Boppery fauna is still underestimated. For the reason, the aim of this present work is to provide the description of a new species of Capitetragonia parasitizing the shrimp Alpheus brasileiro. The specimens were collected in 2011 in two beaches of the state of Ceará, Pacheco Beach and Pedra Rachada Beach. After this, the specimens were brought to the lab and they were illustrated with eye of a camera lucida in a stereo microscope and microscope. After this, the specimens were the measurements were made, and the drawings were processed and edited in Photoshop. The new species is morphologically similar to Alpheus, Capitetragonia alphae, but each differs in females mainly in the shape of head. The new species presents a head subquadrate as long as wide and not fused with the first periomer. In addition, this new species present eyes. The eyes are also small, and the Capitetragonia alphae has no eyes. And also, this new species presents a maxillip pulp bearing 9 long setae and a maxillip spur long and sharp. In relation to males, this new species is also morphologically similar to Capitetragonia alphae, but the male in this new species has eyes and a head suboval distinct from first periomer and narrower than periom. In addition, all body regions and periomers are distinct, and all pleomers are fused, forming a pleotelson, and the size of body are almost parallel. And the antennae 1 and 2 bears three articles. Capitetragonia new species is the fourth species of the genus found parasitizing Alpheidae, in the present case Alpheus brasileiro. The other species were associated with other Alpheid species. The broad distribution of the host species on the Brazilian coast suggests that the likelihood that the parasites can also have a much wider distribution than currently reported in Brazil. So I would like to thank CAPS and the postgraduation program in animal biology for the postdoctoral fellowship provided to me. Thank you very much.